Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today, 6th November 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Just now, US election has completed and in the next 2 hours around 8 am Indian time, we can expect the exit poll results. Then during our Indian market time, between 9 to 5 pm, slowly throughout the day, the election results will be announced. Hence, there is a high possibility of roller coaster ride. Anyway, last night, even though all the opinion poll gave an edge for Kamala Harris, but all the betting apps favors Donald Trump to win 60% and 40% for Kamala Harris. And in addition, the very important Pennsylvania state looks like tilting towards the Trump winning. And because of that, all the US market index closed positive, especially tech stocks rallied. So in the end, Dow Jones increased by 1%, S&P 500 up by 1.23% and Nasdaq outperformed all and closed positive of 1.42%, whereas VIX dropped 6.5% but still above 20. Then in case of oil, there is a hurricane and storm warning in US Gulf and Mexico. So analysts predicted that this could affect up to 5 million barrels of oil production. As a result, it increased the oil price by 1%. At the time of this video, WTI crude trading around $72 per barrel and Brent crude traded at $75.5 per barrel. Then about Indian ADR, in line with the Indian market along with the positivity of US market, except Infosys, all others closed positive. Honestly, I don't know why Infosys was negative. If anyone know the reason, please let me know in the comment section. Maybe Infosys might set to lose some weightage in MSCI index, but I'm not sure. Other than that, ICICI Bank and Wipro ADR indicating the flat arbitrage of just below 1%, whereas HDFC Bank ADR indicating flat and still Reliance GDR indicating negative 1% arbitrage. However, ADR positivity and US market positivity was not reflected on GIFT Nifty. Early morning today, it closed at exactly around the same place where when the spot Nifty closing was 24,298. So equating it with the spot market is an indication of flat opening. So this is what happened in the dollar market yesterday. Now let's look at the Indian market related info. Always remember this, if the market having the volatility in the morning session means most of the time it was caused by the proprietary traders. And if it's having the volatility in the evening means then mostly it is caused by FII. I have been observing this for past some months. Proprietary traders don't trade during FII time and FII don't trade during proprietary traders time. Anyway, coming to yesterday, in the future index, FII reduced the short position from 76% to 73%, but still having 73% is not a good sign and their options open interest position is very confusing. Whereas proprietary traders further shorted the index future from 62% to 65%. In addition, in the option market, yesterday they sold relatively high put options. If required, please pause and have a look. This is the summary of my article added in the YouTube community page. Hence, as per open interest analysis, for now, both FII and proprietary traders wants the market to go down at the end of this month. This is a clear bearish stance in the future index market. However, in the option market, they hedging it in the short term. So I don't think today we will have a similar short covering like yesterday, but who knows, anything can happen in the stock market. I can be completely wrong. Then in the cash market, literally I lost count. Yesterday too, FI was net sellers and they net sold for 2,570 crore rupees, whereas on the other hand, DI net bought the shares for 3,030 crore rupees. Other than that, I like to highlight one thing. Today is MSA rejig, and as per Nuvoma's yesterday report, HDFC Bank might bring additional fund worth $1.8 billion in the rejig, which is a huge positive if it happens. Then in addition, the following companies Adani Energy, Kalyan Jewellers, Oberoi Realty, BSE Limited and Alchem Lab expects to receive more funds above $200 million each. Just for info, the official announcement announcement will be made tonight. So most probably we can see its influence tomorrow. So as a summary, US market closed positive and Trump looks winning. For now, GIFT Nifty indicating the flat opening. But in the next 2 hours around 8 am Indian time, US exit polls results will be announced. So accordingly, we can expect the Indian market to open. Please be cautious. In addition to that volatility, both FII and proprietary traders wants the market down. However, they hedged for the unforeseen event. Usually they don't hedge it if they have directional view means, but yesterday, as I said, they hedged. About the things to look out, Tata Steel, Power Grid Corporation, Apollo Hospital, Jindal Steel, Gujarat Gas, JK Cement and Sonata Software are some of the major Indian companies' earnings results are still released today. Regarding macro, as we all know, all the trading time we need to keep an eye on the US election results. In addition, before the market opening, Japan's monetary policy meeting minutes, then during our market time at 10:30 am, India's service PMI data, then around 2:30 pm, Germany, UK and Eurozone service PMI data are scheduled to release. And in the aftermarket hours for US, mortgage rate, crude oil inventories and 30-year bond auction are some of the items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, Nifty opened 80 points gap down and for most part of the day it traded with negative bias. However, the final hour buying erased all the losses and closed above 24,200. Thus on the daily chart, Nifty formed a piercing line candlestick pattern which is good and it's indicating a potential bullish reversal, but it requires a confirmation today. I mean, for the second consecutive day, Nifty found support around a historical swing low and in addition, RSI momentum indicator having a positive divergence. Technically, all further strengthens the case for an upward move. However, on the negative side, Nifty is still trading below 20, 50 and 100 exponential moving average, which is between 24,400 to 24,700 zone. Hence, this area expects to act as a resistance. And on the downside, 24,000 mark is the crucial support. In case of Bank Nifty, similar to Nifty, it also opened 160 points gap down. However, erased all the losses and closed above 52,200. Thus, on the daily chart, Bank Nifty also formed a large green candlestick pattern engulfing not only the previous day's red candle but also the previous 4 days candle. Additionally, Bank Nifty decisively moved back above all key moving averages with above average volume, which is a positive sign. However, as a bullish reversal confirmation, it needs to sustain above these moving averages this week for the continuation of the upward rally. On the weekly options front, the maximum call option openers was at 25,000 strike, followed by 24,500 and 24,200, with maximum new call option writing at 25,000 strike, followed by 24,200 and 24,850. On the put side, the maximum openers was at 23,000 strike, followed by 23,500 and 24,000, with maximum new put option writing at 23,500 strike and then 23,700 and 24,200. Thus, from options data, 24,200 is the crucial level for the direction, and on the upside, 24,500 to 24,700 is the resistance zone with immediate support at 24,000 and then followed by 23,700. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some information. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video so that it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investigation based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers' educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.